Alright guys, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off ChatGPT history step by step. This is perfect if you care about privacy or you just want your conversations being saved. Let's jump right in. So first, go ahead and open ChatGPT on your browser or mobile app and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside, look at the bottom left corner of the screen. So you should see your profile icon or your name there. So just like this, tap on that. After clicking, a small menu will appear. Now from here, go ahead and select settings. Now once you're inside the settings page, you'll see multiple options, but what we're looking for is data controls. So tap on that at the left side. Now inside data controls, you'll find an option labeled something like chat history or improve the model for everyone. So this is setting that controls whether your conversations are saved and used. So to turn off ChatGPT history, simply toggle this option off. So turn off improve the model for everyone. Once you do that, your future conversations will no longer be saved in your chat history and they won't be used to improve the AI. Then click on done. Now here's something important to understand. Turning this off only affects new chats moving forward, so any previous conversations you already had will still remain in your history unless you delete them manually. If you want to remove old chats, you can go back to the main screen. So hover over the conversations, click the three dots, and choose on delete. Then tap on delete to confirm. Now, if you want a faster option, you can go back into settings and look for something like clear all chats to remove everything at once under data controls or delete all chats. Now, another faster option you should know, you can go back into settings. Now, another useful feature you should know about is temporary chat. If you don't want anything saved at all, even temporarily, you can start a temporary chat. So these conversations won't appear in your history and are automatically cleared after a short time. This is great if you're asking sensitive questions or just want a completely clean session. Also, just a quick note, ChatGPT may still start conversations for a short period, like up to 30 days, for safety and monitoring purposes, but they won't be used for training when this setting is turned off. So, overall, it's really a simple way to take more control over your privacy. And that's it. That's how you can turn off ChatGPT history. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.